Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you're all doing well and that you're all staying safe in this pandemic crisis. Welcome back to our English lesson. Let's learn more English today. For today's class, you will be needing 4 things. The first thing is your Get Smart Plus 3 textbook, your phone, your exercise book, and last but not least, your stationeries. There are 2 classroom objectives for today's class. The first one is, after this lesson, I can understand 6 new words. Selepas kelas ini, saya boleh memahami 6 perkataan yang baru. The second objective is, after this lesson, I can write about one's location at different times of day. Selepas kelas ini, saya boleh tulis tentang keberadaan seseorang pada waktu yang berbeza. This is our topic for today's lesson. We are going to be starting on Module 8, Where Were You Yesterday? And the topic for today's lesson is, Where Were You? You can refer to your textbook at page 75. So, if you have opened your textbook at page 75, let us look at the top section of the page. There are 5 new vocabularies that we need to learn. And the first one is at home. I want you to say this with me, okay kids? Cikgu mau murid-murid untuk sebut bersama dengan cikgu. At home. At home. At home. Berada di rumah. At ni maksud dia berada di. Okay, berada. Okay, jadi berada di rumah. So, if you change this, pergi school, at school, berada di sekolah. Begitulah contoh dia. The second one is shopping center. Shopping center. Shopping center. Shopping center. Ini bermaksud pusat membeli belah. Okay? Jadi sama juga kalau kita gunakan at ni, kita letak sebelah dia sini. Kalau kita letak at di sini, kita cakap at the shopping center. Okay, berada di shopping center, pusat membeli belah. Next. Theater. Theater. Say it with me, okay kids? Theater. Theater adalah tempat-tempat untuk orang melakonkan drama, melakonkan musical, dan ramai orang datang pergi ke theater untuk tengok orang yang melakonkan drama dan musical ini. Okay? Jadi dia macam sinema tapi orang tu berlakon depan mata. Macam itulah. Theater. Okay? Sama juga kalau kita guna at sini pun boleh juga. Kita letak sini at the theater. Okay? Berada di theater. Next. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. Pada waktu tengah hari. Tengah hari dan selepas tengah hari lah. Lebih kurang dari jam 12 sampai jam 5 begitu. Kita boleh panggil afternoon. Matahari sudah tinggi kan? Okay. In the afternoon. Pada waktu tengah hari. Next. In the evening. In the evening. Okay. Evening maksud dia petang. Okay. Pada waktu petang. Jadi lebih kurang macam jam 5 sampai jam 9 begitu. Kalau kita mau beri salam kepada orang pada waktu malam, kita sebut good evening. Okay? Sebab good night kita guna untuk cakap bye-bye sahaja. Okay? Next. Now let us look at the content under the vocabulary section. Where were you? Kamu di mana? Di mana kamu semalam? Inilah maksud soalan dia. Kamu di mana? Okay. So, mari kita mainkan audio dan cikgu mau murid-murid dengar dengan baik. Tengok di mana tempat dia. Okay?
Activity 1. Listen and write the phrases in red. Then sing. Where were you?
Where were you yesterday?
We were out, we were out, we were out all day.
Where were you in the morning?
I was at the shopping center, at the shopping center. I was at the shopping center yesterday morning.
Where were you in the afternoon?
I was at the theater, at the theater. I was at the theater with June.
Where were you in the evening?
We were at home, we were at home. We were at home yesterday evening.
Okay. So now, let us look at the meaning of that song. Okay, jadi dia tanya, where were you yesterday? Semalam kamu di mana? Kemarin kamu di mana? Okay. Jadi dia cakap, we were out. We were out. We were out all day. Kami di luar. Kami di luar. Kami di luar. Di luar sepanjang hari. Lepas tu lelaki tu tanya, where were you in the morning? Kamu di mana pada waktu morning apa? Pagi. Okay, where were you in the morning? I was at the shopping center. Dia cakap I, maksudnya dia seorang sajalah kan? I was at the shopping center. At the shopping center. I was at the shopping center yesterday morning. Saya berada di pusat membeli bela pada pagi kemarin. Okay? So, let us look in the morning. I was at the shopping center. Pusat membeli bela. Next. Where were you in the afternoon? Where were you in the afternoon? Kamu di mana pada waktu tengah hari? Okay? I was at the theater. At the theater. I was at the theater with June. With June. June ni apa? Nama orang lah kan? Di sini dia nama orang, okay? Ni nama kawan dia, June. Okay. Dia berada di theater pada waktu tengah hari, afternoon. Okay? Kalau kita mau cakap dia ikut ayat macam ni, kita cakap yesterday afternoon lah. Next, where were you in the evening? We were at home. We were at home. We were at home yesterday evening. Kami berada di rumah. Jadi dia dengan June dua-dua berada di rumah. Okay? So, nampak tak di sini dia guna we were kan sebab dia sudah ada dua orang. Jadi dia guna we were. Nanti kita akan tengok lagi ya. Jadi mari kita tengok macam mana dia buat ayat dia di sini. Kita tengok where were you in the morning? Where were you in the morning? Dia seorang saja. I was at the shopping center yesterday morning. Jadi first kita cakap siapa? Berapa orang kan? Jadi dia seorang saja, jadi kita guna I was. At ni mesti ada berada. Mesti ada. Kalau tiada at, salah sudah, okay? Jadi mesti ada at. At the shopping center. Kalau mengikut lagu tu dia memang berada di shopping center kan? Okay, jadi siapa berada di mana tempat dia dan bila. Masa dia sini bila, okay? Yesterday morning. I was at the shopping center yesterday morning. Kalau kita tengok lagi, kalau dia tanya, where were you in the afternoon? We were. Okay, dia tadi dengan June kan? 2 orang. Jadi kita guna we. We were at, mesti ada at, the theater. Okay, tempat dia. Mana tempat dia? Dan masa dia. Yesterday afternoon. Okay, tengah hari kemarin kami berada di theater. Next. Where were you in the evening? Waktu evening mereka sudah berada di rumah. Masih 2 orang kan? Jadi kita guna we were. We were at, mesti ada home. At home, di rumah. Yesterday evening. Sebab evening boleh sampai malam juga kan? Okay, next. Kita bagi contoh lain lagi, okay? Where was she in the evening? Kita sudah nampak she sudah sini kan? Kita boleh guna she was, tengok gambar dia pun perempuan kan? She was at, mesti ada, the theater yesterday evening. Okay, the theater ada gambar dia sini kan? Yesterday evening. Next, ini contoh terakhir. Where were they in the afternoon? Okay, dia cakap sini they kan? Jadi, they were at home yesterday afternoon. Senang saja kan? Okay. Now, let us look at the symbol yang cikgu sudah bagi. Okay, kalau satu orang saja kita boleh guna I was. Okay, kalau seorang sahaja kita boleh guna I was. Tapi kalau kita bukan cakap pasal diri kita, kita cakap pasal orang lain, contohnya yang where was she tu, jadi kita guna she was. So kita tanya tentang orang lain. She was. Tengok gambar dia, perempuan. Ini gambar lelaki. He was. Kalau lebih dari seorang, kita boleh guna we were ataupun they were. Kalau dia cakap you, guna we lah. Kalau dia cakap they, guna they lah. Okay? Jadi at, semua mesti ada at. Lepas tu, macam biasalah. Ini mesti mau ingat lah, sebab nanti ada dalam tugasan. Okay, so home, bentuk rumah, shopping center, ni bentuk bangunan tinggi-tinggi. Theater, bentuk orang yang senyum sama sedih, sebab dia orang berlakon kan. Theater. Yesterday morning, ini matahari baru terbit. Yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon, matahari sudah terang. Yesterday evening, matahari sudah terbenam. Okay. So now, let us move on into our seat work. If you need to refer to this, you can feel free to go back to these symbols, okay? Seat work. You have 2 tasks for today. The first one is match the symbols to the correct phrase. Padankan simbol-simbol kepada frasa yang betul. Ini nanti cikgu akan bagi link. Okey, jadi tarik dan letak sahajalah macam biasa, okey? Contohnya kita boleh tarik home ni, kita tarik dia pergi sini kan? Home. Okey. Yang selebihnya cikgu yakin murid-murid boleh buat ini dengan senang kan? Next, task 2. Answer the questions below using the given clues. Jawab soalan-soalan di bawah menggunakan clue yang diberikan. Okey, akan ada clue. Jadi kita tengok sini. Soalan dia, kita mesti baca soalan dulu. Where were you in the morning? Okey, kita tengok clue dia. Lelaki di rumah morning. Okay. Jadi, tapi di sini dia cakap you kan? Jadi kita perlu cakap I lah. I was, sebab dia satu orang saja kan? Jadi, I was at home yesterday morning. Kalau yang begini dia guna he, kita perlu guna he was. Okay? Jadi ada 4 lagi soalan yang murid perlu jawab. 2, 3, 4 dan 5. Sebab nombor 1 cikgu sudah tolong jawab. Okay? Ini tulis dalam buku latihan dan hantar gambar kepada cikgu lah. So, that is all for today's video. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And see you next time.